Welcome to your Customer Control Panel. Under My Control Panel, you can view your profile under My Profile. You can edit and make changes to your profile. Click on the pencil next to your profile information. Make the changes you would like to make. You can change your name, address, city, state, zip code, phone number, email or username, and password. When you're done making the changes you'd like to make, click on the blue disk icon to save the changes. Please note that under My Profile, changing your address will change your primary location address as well. If you would like to request an appointment, under My Appointments, click Requesting an Appointment. By next appointment date, click the calendar. Select the date and time you would like to request your appointment for. When you are finished, hit Done. Note that if you have multiple locations, please list the location you want to schedule in the notes box. Also, you can put notes in for your customer service provider, letting them know what it is you are requesting done. We're requesting the grass to be cut. When you're done selecting your date and time and adding your notes, hit Submit Schedule Request. Your request has been sent. You will receive an email confirmation. If you would like to make changes to an existing appointment you already have scheduled, click on Requesting a Schedule Change under My Appointments. Click Requesting a Schedule Change tab. Under Next Appointment Date, click the calendar. Select the date and time you would like to make the changes for your appointment for. When you're finished, hit Done. In the notes box, if you have multiple locations, please list the location you would like to schedule your request service for. When you're done, you can tell them what it is you're requesting. When done with your date and time and your service notes, hit Submit Schedule Request. Your request has been sent. You will receive an email confirmation. To view or approve your service estimates under My Control Panel, scroll down to My Service Estimates. Click on the pencil next to the service estimate you would like to view or approve. You can add notes letting your service provider know that you approve. When you're done, hit the Approve checkbox if you approve the service estimate. Click on the disk icon to save your changes. Scroll back down. Your service estimate has been made true. To add a new location or make changes to existing location under My Control Panel, scroll down to My Location. Click on Add New Location to add a new location. You would fill in your address, your city, your state, zip code, select a priority from the drop-down menu, select a service interval, whether you want it done daily, weekly, or however you would like. When you're done, you'll click on the blue Disk Save icon to save your new location. To make changes to an existing location, click on the pencil next to the location you'd like to make changes to. Please note that the location outlined in black is your primary location. Changing this address will also change your address under your profile. We're going to change information on the other location. We're going to change how often we want it done. Once you make all your changes, click on the blue disk icon to save the changes you've made. As you can see, our priority has been changed. If you would like to delete a location, click on the trash can icon next to the location you would like to delete. Scroll back down. The location has been deleted. Thank you for watching our help video on your control panel.